How many of you have traveled outside Rwanda and said that you have been to Rwanda or that you're Rwandan and you get this response? Oh, Rwanda, the genocide, or Rwanda, Hotel Rwanda. By show of hands, how many of you? Thank you. So I'm here today to recite a poem I wrote called Rwanda is not Hotel Rwanda. Hope you enjoy it. Rwanda is not Hotel Rwanda. No, Rwanda is the heart-beating life of Africa, the world's example and definition of hope, resilience, and ambition. If you haven't yet heard, yo, grab a pen and learn, because Rwanda is a lesson. Rwanda is where the Great Kivu Lake rests in, where the birds of the Nyungwe forest nest in, and the foreign investors fly all the way to invest in. What's happening right now in Rwanda is interesting, and it's amazing to be a part of and watch. Watch Rwanda. Rwanda is tens of growing cities, hundreds of opportunities, the land of 1,000 hills, the faces with 1,000,000 smiles, and just one people. We are united back home where I come from. In Rwanda, there is freedom where we live in peace and live as we please. Yemwe, simvuga mahanga, ndavuga iwacu mu Rwanda, ahari kubera ibitangaza. Rwanda is birds and lakes, lights and city streets, volcanoes and silverbacks, restaurants, coffee beans and cinemas, electricity and honeybees. I come from the earth's last piece of paradise, a big-hearted land where my people chose forgiveness over the atrocities they witnessed, a land where we are not afraid to speak the truth, a land where there's room for the youth, a land where my people work hand in hand to demand justice and dignity. We come from that land that has risen from the ashes of sorrow to the rose blossom of tomorrow, the land of Agaciro. We come from that land. So no, Rwanda is not Hotel Rwanda. We will not be defined by the genocide. Rwanda is a land of pride, the home to dreamers, believers, and achievers, learners and teachers, humans and creatures, the heart-beating life of Africa, the world's example and definition of hope, resilience, and ambition. If you haven't yet heard, yo, I hope you listen, because Rwanda is a lesson.